In this video, we will be discussing stabilizing necklines. Sometimes when we knit a sweater and pick up stitches around the neckline, the neckline may stretch as you wear it. This sweater is a particularly heavy sweater, so the neckline tends to stretch. It's a wide neckline to begin with, but as it's being worn, it tends to stretch a bit more than I would like. Therefore, we want to try to stabilize this neckline and prevent it from stretching. There's a fix that we can do to try to stabilize this and prevent it from stretching. To do this, so I've worked it already on the back neck. We basically use crochet along the pickup line where the seam was to stabilize this. And the back neck does not stretch at all, whereas the front neck is still quite stretchy. So I will show you on the front neck how to work this. It works best if you do it in sections. So for the back neck, I began at the saddle, the back saddle. So you would want to begin at the back neck. And I worked across to the other saddle at the back. And I left a tail so that I can adjust once after I wear it. So I worked by picking up every other stitch in this bind off edge with my crochet hook, and that has done fairly well, but I need to try this on and see how I think it looks while being worn. And if it's pulling in too much, then I can unwork this and do a different ratio of picked up stitches in my crochet chain. So let me show you the front neck. I think I will work from at the lower front neck, so between these 2 points, and then I will possibly do a section across the saddle as well to stabilize those areas. So I will turn this inside out. Here is my front neck, and I think I will first stabilize between these 2 points. There's the back neck, and here's the front neck. So to work this, I need a crochet hook that is small enough to fit under the chain, the bind off chain stitches that were used to pick up stitches. So I will work a slip knot and place it on my hook. And go under the chain. Yarn over the hook and pull stitch through everything. So I just have one loop on my crochet hook. And now I'm going to use a similar ratio as I did on my back neck. I'm going to skip every other bind off stitch. So I'm going to go into the second stitch. I pull a loop through and then pull it through the loop on the crochet hook. And I will just repeat this across. So this hook may be too small. I'll see when I am all done if this fix is actually too tight. If so, then I can change crochet hook size, or I can change my ratio of stitches and pick up every stitch and skip a stitch here and there. Like so. I'm using a different color yarn here, but you can use your project yarn. This will not, it should not be seen from while being worn. It may add a little bit of bulk to this neckline. You can already see here is that section. It's nice and stable. And I want to make sure I end at about the same spot, so I'll end about right there for this segment. I will cut, I'll leave kind of a long tail and cut, and then just pull that through so this can be unworked if I need to adjust. But now this section has no stretch, so I would probably continue around doing in small sections. I think I would probably do another segment from the saddle to the front neck, and then another small section across the saddle, possibly. I may do this front neck section on each side and then try it on and see if I even need to reinforce the saddle section. We do want a little bit of stretch so that the sweater can be taken on and off over the head. This is quite a wide neck though, so I don't think that's an issue. But anyway, that is one way to reinforce and stabilize a stretchy neckline after the sweater has been completed. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.